First, you need to add your own bank account by clicking on the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Select Business under the Account settings and choose the Bank Account and Currency subpage. You may then click on Add a Bank Account and start to add your bank account information details. After you input all of the information needed, tap on the Add a Bank Account button. You will successfully input your own bank account. Then click on the Balances option at the left side of the screen. If you already have some balance on your Stripe account, you may see this Payout button and you want to click on it. You can then view the money that you hold on Stripe and start to insert how much money do you want to send or transfer to your bank account that you just added before. After that, click on the Payout button over here and you are good to go. You can also manage your payout to be sent automatically on the time basis by clicking on Manage Payouts button and select the Manage Payout Schedule button and choose the Automatic option. Then consider how do you want Stripe to transfer the money automatically to your bank account, either every day, every week, or every month. After that, click on Done button. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.